Hi guys. So, guess what? I still have so much carrots left in my fridge. So, I decided let me try to get rid of them even though I'm doing this other recipe that has to do with carrot. There is still carrots in my fridge, but it's way less than what we had. So, a friend recently suggested to me to try Brazilian carrot cake. And I actually looked at this recipe once and I was interested in it, but I just totally forgot. So I'm like, okay, you know what? Since I have so much carrots, I might as well. So, first you need 5 carrots, 5 large ones. Then you're going to need 4 eggs, 2 cups sugar, 1 cup vegetable oil, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 2 1/4 cups of flour. So here it is, 2 1/4 cups of flour. So that's just for the cake. Now, Brazilian carrot cake, what's interesting about it is that it has chocolate frosting. And it's not really like an American carrot cake has, big chunks of carrots like grated, but it's like this is more like a puree. It's actually really easy, which I love about this recipe. It's like so simple to make. You don't even need a mixer. Like with a blender, it's like perfect. But for the frosting, you're gonna have 1 cup whole milk, 1 bar of bittersweet chocolate broken into small pieces, 3.5 ounce, around there, 2 tablespoons honey, and 1 tablespoon butter. So this is a recipe. I'll repeat them later, the ingredients for the frosting when I'm doing it, but right now let's just work on the cake. It's super easy. Right now what I'm gonna take care of is just peeling and chopping these carrots. That's the first thing. Now we're just going to sift together the flour, the baking powder, and salt in this bowl right here. What you're going to do now is in your blender, you are going to put 1 cup of your vegetable oil, the 2 cups of sugar, the 4 eggs, and the carrots in this blender. And then you're just going to mix. What you're looking for in this, when you're blending, you're going to stop a couple of times, to scrape down the sides and everything because you want a precise, you know, accurate, like consistency. So it's going to be like a puree that you're looking for. So you'll consistently stop, probably change the settings of the blender as you're going to see what the Hi guys, so this is the consistency I got, and I think this is a good consistency. It is definitely a puree. So that's it. So guys, this is how the carrot cake batter is supposed to look. So now I'm gonna put it in the pan, a 13 by 9-inch pan. Okay guys, so I'm preheating my oven to 350, and I have buttered and floured my pan, so now I'm gonna put the batter in. So my cake is in the oven, and it's gonna be in here for 40 minutes exactly at 350. So keep your. This is how my cake looks when it comes out. It was exactly done at 40 minutes, so like it was perfect. If you preheated your oven in time, and if you didn't overmix, it should have been done exactly in 40 minutes. So just gonna let it cool now, and we'll work on the frosting. I'm preparing to do the frosting. I have exactly measured 3.5 ounces of chocolate. So here it is. Hi guys, so here's the chocolate, the butter, and the honey. The milk. Okay, so I'm bringing it to a boil. I'm bringing all these things to a boil. And basically you want it to melt. As you guys can see, it's boiling, so as that does that, you want to keep stirring as it's boiling. So now that it's boiling, you want to reduce the heat to like a simmer and make sure it becomes like a thick, like paste, thick, smooth mixture. This is the mixture you want to look for. It is smooth and thick, pretty much. So okay, so based on the instructions, you have to grab a big bowl of ice water and put the chocolate in another little bowl and just keep stirring chocolate until it's thickened like a frosting. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's gotten way thicker because it was more liquid before in the ice water. So I'm just gonna keep stirring until it becomes thicker and thicker. So it was perfect, the frosting, but then like some of the ice water got in my frosting, it was a perfect like thickness to it, and I got so upset. But so it's a little liquidy, so just don't make the mistake. Be careful that your ice water does not get into your frosting because it will ruin your cake. But it still looks okay. It probably if I put it in the fridge, it will harden a bit, so that's good. But I can't wait to try it.